Good morning, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. 11th English 4.1 History of English Drama. Brainstorming activities, objective test. 4.1 English History of English Drama. 11th English State Board question answer. Objective test, name any four periods of history of British drama. List the four elements of drama. State a type of drama each from any four periods of history. Compare the features of comedy and tragedy. State the difference between poetry and drama. State the difference between drama and novel. Define drama. Explain the term plot. Differentiate between characters and characterization. List a few reasons for watching a drama live on the stage. पहले का आंसर है फोर पीरियड्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ ब्रिटिश ड्रामा: मेडिवियल पीरियड, रिनेसेंस पीरियड, रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड, विक्टोरियन पीरियड. फोर एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ड्रामा: plot, characterization, dialogue, characters, stage directions, conflict, theme. Type of drama: modern period, absurd plays; Victorian period, all types of plays; Renaissance period, revenge plays; medieval period, mystery plays. Features of comedy and tragedy: comedy play are humorous play and having happy ending, amusing and satirical in tone, characters in joyful mode, victory over unpleasant conditions by creating comic effect. Tragedy: drama in which tragic elements or unhappy ending called tragedy, sorrowful conditions or life of characters depicted in this drama, serious plays dealing with the problems of central characters. Difference between poetry and drama: drama is a composition normally in prose telling a story and intended to be represented by actors impersonating the characters and speaking the dialogue. Poetry is composed in lines called the verses arranged into stanza. Difference between drama and novel: the main difference between a novel and a drama is derived from the formatting of each piece. A novel is at most exclusively written in dialogue. Define drama: drama is a composition in verse or prose to be acted on the stage in which a story is related by means of dialogue and action and is represented with accompanying gesture, costume, and scenery as in real life. Explain the term plot. Plot means series of events occurring in a play. Plot means plan, scheme, or pattern. It has beginning, middle, and end. Differentiate between characters and characterization. Characters in a play are the protagonist, who is the main character, and other characters. Characterization means details of the character inside their personalities. And list a few reasons for watching a drama live on the stage. Theatre is the most ancient performing art form supported for its sustenance. Theatre art is ephemeral. If you miss it, you may not get another chance. In theatre, real people do real things on stage. To feel real experience and thrill, connect to the story better. Watching theatre is an intellectual exercise to feel the conflict, tension, suspense in reality. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। खुदा हाफिज़।